De Jakoba social housing by Studioninedots in Amsterdam, the Netherlands. De Jakoba brings new energy to the Overhoeks neighborhood in Amsterdam-Noord. In Manhattan at the IJ, as the new city district which fronts the IJ harbor opposite Central Station is also referred to, De Jakoba introduces one of two new social housing complexes. Making use of form and smart building methods, we realized a powerful and qualitative building, a recognizable place where people live with pride and are willing to take care of. Within the formal urban plan for the Overhoeks area, which with its campus-like setting is rather un-Amsterdam, we gave our own interpretation of the set rules. The plan specified setbacks for the buildings to minimize the volumes from street level. We took advantage of this condition by bending the entire volume of De Jakoba inwards, allowing the volume to stagger and gradually curve upwards not only on the top floors but over its entire height and length. The four different facades and wavy balconies that are formed ensure a recognizable appearance to the surrounding area. Thanks to the sculptural shape of the building, each of the 135 studio apartments have a unique layout. At the heart, the narrowest part of the building is the entrance passage that connects the communal garden to the street. As the building curves inwards, it embraces the garden and creates a sense of shelter. The open communal garden and high multifunctional spaces on the ground floor along Docklandsweg bring new vibrancy at street level. We designed the entrance to create a sense of arrival. The entrance extends like a glass void over the full height of the building and provides wide views of the collective garden and the new urban district along the IJ from all floors. By opting for prefabricated facade elements, De Jakoba was realized in a very short time frame, which not only allowed construction costs to be greatly reduced but also enabled residents to move into their homes much sooner. Clear architecture is enforced by the use of a single material, light green concrete. A play of lines between the horizontal bands and vertical fins of soft green material distinguishes De Jakoba from the surrounding buildings. As the thin edges of the concrete panels could be polished in one stroke, we were able to conveniently add attractive detailing to the facades. The materialization is enriched by powder-coated silver-gold window frames and balustrades, adding a warm glow. The subtly curved pillars create a changing play of light and shadow throughout the day.